No, right there when you were right there, if you looked out there, you wouldn't have lost your balance, and you would have known better what to do with the throttle.
And you saw I was probably looking right at that.
You were looking there. The better position you can put yourself in, the easier it becomes. And
okay.
I see that you're buying yourself time with using your space better and slowing down. So you're really getting it.
What's that? Oh, this is awesome. What's this for?
So this is we rent this for people that want to come for weekend lessons.
Oh, that's great.
So, and then there's a little upstairs here, and there's like check this out.
I got it.
That's the end of my property's down there at the point.
Uh-huh.
And then the other end's that ditch we were riding in on the other end of the property.
Okay, yeah.
So we have this, we have people that come from out of state and they can bring a camper. There's an RV site down there.
Yeah.
Or they can use this barn if they want to. There's an outside shower out in the back here, just a solar shower site.
Oh, that's amazing. It's so cool.